Standardization is incredibly important when it comes to making processes efficient. Standardization in the HMI environment helps the operator by providing a uniform look and feel. Training times are reduced and maloperations decrease. Valuable engineering time is saved for the plant and machine builder. Furthermore, standardization is also very important for a uniform presentation of a product or the entire company. WinCC Unified offers with its libraries faceplates, graphics and scripts, thus makes standardization very easy. With the WinCC Unified libraries, I can create, centrally maintain and manage my faceplates. And I can also share these libraries with my partners and suppliers as standard. I can create my faceplates in WinCC Unified and use them on different devices. This goes from a small panel to a PC-based SCADA system, independent of the project and the Unified device. Furthermore, I can work with my libraries in TIA portal, as I am used to, including versioning. I'm particularly excited about the faceplate in faceplate topic, which we can now do. That means nesting and cascading faceplates. For example, I can create the visualization of a temperature sensor and then use it in the visualization of a tank. And in this way, it is also possible to reproduce the data structure of a plant or a machine one-to-one in the HMI. Standardization in WinCC Unified does not only mean that I can create and manage faceplates, graphics and scripts in the library, but it also means that I can implement the plant and machine structure one-to-one in the visualization. WinCC Unified gives me the right tools to achieve this.